Hi everybody, welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also a bell beside that subscribe button, and we always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. YouTube will then send you one notification that I just uploaded a brand new video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and you will be in the know, because I do upload a lot and sometimes my videos are time sensitive and I don't want you to miss out. Also, right under the this video, there is a thumbs up button, and that really helps me on the YouTube platform. So if you can take a second to hit that thumbs up, it'll turn blue, which means they're recognizing that you've given me a thumbs up, and I appreciate that. So thank you so much for doing that ahead of time. All right, this is the Luxe box for the month of December. The variation number is a little bit different. It just says C2012-406-LX. That's what I'm getting on my card. That's what you guys can see. And for some reason, I really seem to prefer the base box. But due to the fact that I have a channel, and on my normal account, which is this account, I already upgraded for the Luxe. Because when this all started, the base box, which is $25, when he initially said what we were going to get in the Luxe, was you were going to get the same items that would be in the base box, and then you were going to get some additional items. Through the transition of everything Luxe, it has changed a lot. But due to the fact that I have the channel, when I started the channel, I opened up a second account where I get the base box all the time without an upgrade. So during the Luxe months, you will see the base box on my channel as well, and then we'll be able to do some comparisons and see, because I'm finding the Luxe not to be as exciting to me as the base. So if somebody asks me if they should upgrade, you're going to have to make that decision based on the products that I'm showing you here. I have not received any other box from Boxycharm yet for the month of December, so I'm not sure if there's going to be any duplicate products or anything like that. So we'll have to wait and see on that. All right, so let's go through everything. I've pulled everything out of the packaging, took the picture for Instagram, and now I'm sitting down here to go through the products with you guys. All right, the first item that I received is from Iconic London. It looks like it is going to be a face palette. It says Blaze Chaser Face Palette. The face palette that I'm using, and that's actually on my face today with mask, everything, because it's really now near the end of the day. And we did a lot of running around and I had a mask on most of the day, is from also a Boxycharm box. And it's the Pretty Vulgar Resting VIT face. And I'm loving that. So these face palettes are usually ones that I gravitate to, especially with all my travel. So I'm really, really excited to have an opportunity to try another one. But an Iconic London, I only tried their eyeshadow palette. So this will give me an introduction to their face products. So this one says it is the ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. It is a convenient palette that contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add a natural warmth and definition, blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and a highlight shade for a flattering candlelight radiance. And they're saying the suggested retail on this is $55, and this is a brand new launch for them, and they put it in the box. So let's see what we have here. We have a mirror on the top, and then these are the shades underneath. So we'll have to test that on the face and see how that works. But it looks like, you know, a standard type of palette that you would have where you have your bronzers. Ironically, there's no real contour shade. So there's a blush shade, and you have a couple up here that look like they have a little bit of sheen to them. So to me, this is missing the actual contour. You got your bronzer, and then you have a deeper highlighter, and then a couple of blushes. So we'll have to play with that on the face, because swatching this I don't think will give us that sense. The next item is from Sunday Riley, and this is what made it the box this month for the Luxe, because this is an $85 product. When I've received this in other boxes, it came in an actual box that you opened up, and it had a lot of instructions on there. So before you use this product, I would suggest going on to Sunday Riley's website and see what to do. because this is a lactic acid treatment, and I don't want to go into all the pros and cons and benefits, and that it's something that I think you should do and read it on their website so you can get more information. They're saying this is a multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment that rapidly exfoliates and boosts natural youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines and wrinkles and dark spots. Its highly potent formula exfoliates dull, pore clogging, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal a smoother, clearer skin with skin brightening licorice. That is super concentrated treatment. It also visually reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for a natural, lighter, brighter, even tone skin. And like I said, this is an $85 value. I enjoy this, but I have, not overly sensitive skin. So for me, this has been a real treat, and I'm really excited to have a replenish for that. All right, the next item that we got is from HIPDOT. And HIPDOT, I was introduced to, this is the sleeve that it comes in, and this is the palette by Boxycharm. And I fell in love with the one that had that pinky purple tones to it. Those are right up my alley. This is a very different type of palette for me. I'm going to read to you about it, and then we'll talk about it right after. This one here says it is a Cenote pressed eyeshadow palette. It says, unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds of the Cenote, a homage to the sacred underground pools of Mexico. So if I'm pronouncing that wrong, I truly do apologize. In this hyperpigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep. They're saying this is a $30 palette. I'm impressed with this HIPDOT line. The other palette we got was very similar style to this, so I can tell you that their formula is really a treat, and I really enjoyed the other one to a point that I was using it more than any other palette that month. And these are the shades that are in here. A lot of blues, a lot of turquoise. I'm gonna have to see if I have anything that would make me want to play within this area. The top row is where, my comfort zone is, but these colors look really unique to me, these turquoise, and I wear a lot of turquoise down here in Florida. So I'm gonna have to see if this is one that I want to use. So for now, I'm just going to leave it not touched. The next item that we got is from LUXIE. It is a glitter and gold brush set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, highlighting, blending. This set has all that you need to create the perfect holiday looks. It is a fabulous set that comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. And they're saying this is $85, and it is a Boxy exclusive. So they made this for Boxy, and it says LUXIE on the top here. There is a strong scent for this, but I think it's simply because it was wrapped in plastic, and that sometimes happens, with when products are made too quickly and they don't have time to air out, and you immediately put it into a plastic. That sometimes will be a strong scent. So if you're feeling that, just leave this out overnight, and you should see in the morning that that scent will probably dissipate. The items in here look like standard brushes on the left, and then this unique brush down here, and then a couple of other, like a foundation brush, and then a light powder brush. I've been enjoying the LUXIE brushes that we've been getting, but like I said, this is, to me, is set up to be a beautiful gift set, so we're going to leave that as is. The next item that we got in here is from Avant Skincare, and this is one that a lot of their packaging is very similar, so don't assume this is one you already got. Check your products and see if this is, because usually there aren't repeats. And like I said, this is an expensive brand, but we've been getting it in the boxes, so we're not paying the prices that are here on the card. But I did enjoy the two products that I received for them, I think a night one and a day one, and I used them completely, and I really enjoyed them. They're saying this is an intensive glycolic acid day moisturizer. They're saying the ideal remedy against time is this day moisturizer that aims to, after a complete response of signs of skin slacking. A revolutionary formula with rich texture combines glycolic acid and mica to correct the effects of the epidermal aging and improve the skin's density, luminosity, and volume. It's promising a lot, and they're saying the value of this would be $123. The next item that we got is from KVD, And this is still saying Kat Von D over here, and she's no longer affiliated with the company. So this might be something that I just never tried. The waterproof, saying it's a waterproof liquid eyeliner, and this is the box that it came in, and this is the beautiful packaging. The packaging from KVD and Kat Von D, her artistic abilities are just unbelievable. And this one is called Dagger. One of my favorite eyeliners that I had tried that were liquid was from her line, and it was called Tattoo. So this one I don't think I'm familiar with, and it's called Dagger. And it says, experience effortless winged liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially designed for easy application on any eye shape, making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for makeup junkies. And they're saying this is a $21 value. So I'm assuming this is just a liquid liner. The next item that we got is one that, this is REZA. He's also a Bravo personality that it's, I think, from the Shaws of Sunset. If you ever follow on Instagram, Yosef or Joe, he goes by both names, on Instagram, who's the head guy at Boxycharm. They showed them having drinks or something during the quarantine, because he said one of his products will possibly be in here, and REZA was absolutely ecstatic. If you ever watch the show, which I do, he was working with a very large company, and for some reason it's slipping my mind who the company was, but they are known in the industry for hair care products. So he's really teamed himself up with someone really that knows the business. And this one is Love My Leave-In. It is formulated with the gold-infused shield. This leave-in features 7 mystic ingredients like champagne for high shine, crushed diamonds for brilliance, rose of Jericho to nourish, pea protein for strength, king coconut oil for fortifying, black truffle oil to moisturize, and strawberry seed extract as an antioxidant. And they're saying this is a $22 value. I will definitely try it. It's intriguing. The scent is very perfumey. It reminds me from when I was, I think, one of the first perfumes, like Ane or something like that, that I purchased for myself. It has a very strong scent to it that is very, it's beautiful. It's a real nice mix. I'm excited to be able to use this. And then the last item was one of the choices that came down. And for some reason, I can't remember what my choice item. I cannot believe that I can't remember a choice item. It's like unbelievable. But this I remember was one of the second choices to choose. And this is the original Glam Smile Kit. It says, your OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes from binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe. This mission of this company is to accompany you in the clouds, elevate your self-care routine with maintaining angel status. And they're saying this is an $89 value. So I did teeth whitening once at the dental office, and I had a lot of sensitivity to it. So this is something that will be put in the gift area. So for me, this Luxe month is not one that I'm overly ecstatic about, but I like to try the products that they give us, because a lot of times I'm pleasantly surprised based on how they perform. I think a face palette is fantastic. The problem is that we did get a face palette. Not that it's a problem, because not everyone gets all the boxes. I just do. And I'm really enjoying that other one. So there was another face palette that I had the opportunity to see somebody get that had a really uniqueness to it. It wasn't this brand. So hopefully my other boxes, maybe I'll receive that. But these palettes always come in really handy. So I'm really happy to get that. Like I said, the Sunday Raleigh more than pays for the box. And this I've used and I really enjoy and I recommend. But definitely, please, because this didn't come in the outside box and the instructions on the back are not as much as what's on the box, please go to the website before you use a product like this. The eyeshadow palette, I always enjoy getting an eyeshadow palette. Just this type of color theme is out of my comfort zone, which is a good thing. So it's not repetitive, so it might be something that I'll keep, but it's something that I've got to think about. This eyeliner, like I said, it's new to me. I just have so many open right now. And I do enjoy the Kat Von D eyeliner, so this I think will be used. This is a brush set. We have received a couple of the brush sets. I think it is beautiful and it's set up really nicely for gift giving. Like I said, the Avant to me is a winning product line. Don't worry about the prices that are on the card. When you use it, enjoy it. It's in your box. You didn't pay that price, but you'll get the benefits of the ingredients that made this into one of those higher end prices. And then we have the REZA new product release. And I always do love leave-ins because, you know, you get that extra little scent and all the other fantastic ingredients that they put in here to try. So they're saying this is from their Salon series and it's good for all hair types. So excited to have the opportunity to try that. Like I said, it's not like a wow to me, but I think everything in here is absolutely products that everybody will have an opportunity to try and enjoy. All right. Once again, as always, I appreciate that you guys take any time out of your day that you choose to spend it with me here. I'm really excited for the month of December that we're going to have the opportunity to see. There's so many sales going on, and the pop-ups and the add-on sales have been absolutely fantastic. I'm hoping that once I receive all my boxes that the add-ons will still be open, so that if some of the items that I have my eye on I did not receive, I'll still have the opportunity to place my order there. All right. Once again, thank you so much for joining me. Everybody, during this time, I always like to remind everybody to continue to stay safe so that we can all stay well. And I will see you all soon in my next video. Take care and bye-bye for now.